Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good morning, everybody. So we got Ben back in the shop. Ben, what's behind us?
Oh, that's my Ford Flex.
What year is it?
2014, I think.
And there's some sort of noise.
Weird noise happening. Yeah.
You know what? Let's take it on test drive, see what it sounds like, and see if we can diagnose this just weird issue.
Let's go.
It's coming from the front passenger tire, I think. What do you think it is? It's not a good one. Oh, that's good. It's barely any rust. Stop. Let it down. Now we're gonna have to get it deep in there, nice and deep, like on the frame. So before you take those off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and twist the tire left and right. So try and just in the front. If it turns, that's okay. We're just trying to twist it left and right, hearing for any clanks. See, he's so strong, the wheel's turning, and then up and down. Then does anything feel? Nope. Okay. Now when you spin it, do you hear anything? If you can spin it. All right, let's go ahead and take it off. It is good news because hubs are expensive. You go ahead. Can you roll that? Yeah, and you're going to look at the tire itself. It's got a nice wobble. Oh wow. Yeah, so this whole side is gone. Yeah. So we're gonna take this stethoscope. It's got this cool little tip. It's got this cool little metal tip, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the stethoscope and the microphone up to the tire. We're gonna spin the tire. Um, I don't think the hub is the problem. I think this tire has very bad wear patterns. The wire's exposed, and so we're not gonna let them leave with those tires on the front. We're gonna swap them out, put the rears in the front, and then maybe he'll just go get new tires. Hey, I'm trying to see if you guys got a couple tires in stock.
Yeah, I have a set of 4 available. Insurance all seasons is the only thing I have available. That tire, the 2 tires installed up north for you, right about $500.
Okay, what about just for the tire? Just
per tire.
You say 208 per tire?
Yep.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We kind of figured out that the hub is good. I thought it was the hub. I was wrong. We all make mistakes, even backyard. Good morning. Well, even front yard mechanics, we make mistakes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate. We're gonna put the rear tires on the front because these tires are a little rough. And then we're gonna take it down the road, see if that sound is still there. If it's not still there, I think Ben's gonna go get new tires.
Absolutely.
He's definitely not gonna drive.
I'm not going to drive it without any tires. I promise.
All right. I love the guy. He's my brother.
Never lie. I always tell the truth.
Scarface.
fluid?
Oh yeah, dude, you should have them do it again. Fluid Film's good stuff. Not a sponsor of the channel, Fluid Film. You should be ashamed of yourself. You know what? If you're out there, I'm still gonna say use Fluid Film, but I don't want to because I'm not getting paid for it. Bed's over here. He's torquing. He's getting his torque on. I definitely feel grinding on this side.
On the passenger side.
No, this side.
Oh, that's
Like I can feel it in my. I can feel it in my foot.
that's what makes me think it might be like transmission or something, because
Yeah, because it's a different. Like over here, it's like over there. It's just like a hum, and you hear the. Doo, 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 doo. Here it's like grinding. But it's definitely not your hubs. Your hubs were good.
right, can't hear them at all from the outside,
Yeah,
inside.
you can't hear any of this from the outside. None of it.
So the problem is it's definitely reverberating through the car.
Oh yeah, you can feel it. You can hear it. Which is weird because like the transmission's definitely got some like oomph to it. And I looked at both your CV axles. There's no like the boots aren't broken.
Well, I know we changed something with that before.
It's so weird.
It's a weird flex.
It's a weird flex. Could be. Well, there's definitely some imbalance going on.
Could it be a tire?
It could have it. What I think there's multiple things going on with it, and I don't think it's just one.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to get new tires and get them and get an alignment, and then if it's still making the noise, because that's hands down your cheapest option is the 2 new tires and a alignment. All right, so step 1 of the diagnosis is complete. Ben, what did we figure out?
Not much. We did figure out that I have a couple of bad tires, need new tires, get them re-rotated, get the alignment done, and see where we're at with that. And if there's still more noise, we'll keep chasing it.
Yeah, so diagnosing that stuff in the garage is kind of hard. It would be easier if we had a lift and we can lift it up, put it on the lift, have somebody put it in drive and kind of ramp it up to 45 just to kind of narrow down the humming noise. So it's really hard to do from the cab. But we know at least at a minimum, we need new tires, got to get an alignment and make sure we got nice, balanced, aligned, and new tires.
That'll give us a good starting point.
Yeah, it's definitely, that'll lead to step 2 of the diagnosis. So this job's not done, and thanks for coming in.
Yeah, no, thanks for having me. I appreciate your time, man. Appreciate the videos and everything. It's awesome. Had a good time. There's never a bad reason to come and visit your brother. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's right. It was a good morning.
It was a good morning.
Hey! If you want a Good Morning Mechanic t-shirt, the Shopify link is down below. Make sure you guys double check that you're subscribed. Click the bell for notifications and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. What do you think that humming noise was?
What are we doing wrong? What are we doing right? Things like that.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good morning.